What up? What's good? So as y'all can see, I'm already here at Brett's, and today's the day y'all all kind of been waiting for, and this is what we've been building up to. So today the SC is going on a dyno. Hopefully everything goes smooth. I'm not really worried about it that much. I've never had issues with the SC on the dyno. It's always been 350 stuff. The 300ZX motor, when it was in the SR or when it was in the 240, everything ran cool there. So I'm kind of confident in the 2J build. So usually things just go kind of smooth with this. So I ain't really too much worried about it. Also, kind of like my little good seance slash good luck charms is every time Lawrence has tuned my car, there's been a super here. So first time it got tuned, there was a red super here. Second time it got tuned, his super was here. And then today's the third time we're tuning it, and we got two supras on the way here that are also getting tuned with me. So yeah, things are looking good. My good lucks are on the way. So hopefully today just goes smooth, which I'm sure it will.
They're still filming?
Yep.
Oh my gosh. You got a big leak somewhere. It's not even building any boost. What? Something's off. You can hear the error.
So a little boost leak detected right here in this coupler here. You can't see it, but we're about to torque that thing back on there and then retest it and see what's up. About an hour of checking boost leaks and all this other stuff, I realized how important a boost leak tester is, because yeah, I thought everything was good and tight, but turns out that we had hella leaks. So yeah, if you ever even touch a coupler, just make sure you get a boost tester and check it, because I got proven wrong. My shit was hella leaking, but now we got it holding 30 psi, so we should be good to go. I hear my people over here. Yep, there go my good luck charms right there. 2 supras, damn 3. Oh, I got 3 good luck charms. That's pretty tight. So yeah, 2 of these are getting tuned. It'll be dope to see if I can out horsepower one of these supras and be the highest tuned car so far. What's good? Oh, give you a proper one. Good, how you doing? It's clean. What's up with it? How you doing? Cool, chilling. A little walk around for y'all. And the third one. So yeah, today might be a good day for me. We got 3 supras. I told y'all these are my good luck charms and I've been tuning. We're gonna let the supras tune first, and then we'll jump on after. Hella quiet. This super is all done, and now we're about to get on to the next one over here. So I already know y'all gonna ask, what did the other Supra make? And the other Supra made this 463 on pump, just a mild tune. The guy just bought the car, so did a little save tune for him, that way he can drive it around, and then I guess after he's gonna want to go for more, but they decided to stop here. 463, just a little conservative tune, that way he has his car. But this one right here, this is a big boy build, so this one should be anywhere from 800 to 1,000 horsepower. So we're gonna see what this thing puts down, and then hopefully it leaves behind some good juju for me, because after this I'm next up. So we're gonna see what's cracking. Man, what's up? You think you're gonna be able to handle this? Are you sure? Yeah. Positive? Hell yeah. Show. I don't want to hear about you on the news, Paul Walker or something, bro. Just got done wrapping this one up, unstrapping this thing off the dyno, and then, you feel me, it's your boy turn. Fingers crossed. Shit's about to get real, like real. So this Supra made 652. Had cam sensor signal issues, so probably needs to go to a shielded wire since it's on the factory cam and crank sensor. So switch that to the shielded wire. I had the same issue on my car when I had the Infinity in there, or I had the same issue with my Infinity. When you run Infinities, it's real picky on the cam and crank sensor wiring, so definitely needs to be shielded, or else you will have these kind of sputter where you'll lose cam or crank signal. So kind of capped it right there, capped it at 652, but you know, it'll be back probably making 800-900, but for now this is where it's at until they get the wiring switched up a little bit. You asking me if I'm grabbing my rosary? Like, I didn't see you asking nobody else for prayer. It's cool though. I'm about to make the most power from your vacation though. Oh. The highest is 800. We're about to smash that. See. Hopefully.
Now you said it. Gonna make 520.
Definitely not gonna make 520.
No video on doing that.
Comfortable down there?
Huh?
Comfortable?
Yeah, I'm about to go to sleep. Tune your own car.
It'll definitely blow up if I get to tune in. Here we go, all strapped down. The fate of my motor is in Lawrence's hand at this point. YouTube is watching you and praying for you, bro.
YouTube?
YouTube, Instagram, everybody.
What's YouTube? Can you get my laptop? And that little sponge thing and that power cord. Please. Thanks.
So wastegate not opening right now. So Lawrence about to pressure test it and check. See what's going on with this Jimmy. So 28 PSI is the lowest we can run the wastegate right now. So we're just about to dive into the high power stuff, and from there, once we're done, I can always swap my springs out later, but for now we just gotta jump right into it at 28 pounds. It's pretty sketch, but we're gonna see. So we're getting ready to swap the plugs. Right now these are 7 heat range. We're about to bump it up to an 8. And we're gonna close the gap because we have a spark blowout right now. So about to swap to some different plugs, and then we're gonna go back at it. We gotta have the boys get in there because we spinning.
Toss me some earplugs.
Where?
Right here, look. If you look, open up that, see it right there in that corner? Those two. They're brand new. You only use them once.
Get some weight on this thing and see if we can hook it up. Yeah, it's spinning hella bad. I guess that's a good sign. Go ahead, get in there, Joe. You too, Brett.
I gotta raise the boost cut up. That was like 30.5 pounds. I put the boost cut at 31. So,
that pull.
I didn't even go all the way out either. There you go. That was kind of like a partial pull.
You said that was a partial?
Yeah. Yeah, pulled it out.
Yeah.
We had the whole group in there. You'll learn someone to put these up by the time.
Oh, is it not
Okay, cool. Those are the ones I could take? Okay. I guess we're all helping us. Yeah.
For the record, I currently hold Lawrence's record for stock VVTi coils and a cheap eBay log manifold. This is the most he's made on those two
Stock coils
combos.
without an external igniter or an external amplifier.
So what do you think of the boost and everything? Cool?
That's all right. It's low boost. Baby boost.
I'm happy. Yeah, that's not bad. It's the same boost I made last time with an extra 100 plus on top, so I'm good with this. But yeah, I got my printout and everything, so we're done for the night. About to go get tacos. Today was a success. So yeah, I'm about to wrap this up right here. So for everybody else watching, thank you. SC is done. We'll be back on the channel soon. And yeah, I'm juiced. I'm happy.
I've been going too crazy.